Welcome to Ideation Step 5. In Step 5, we'll select one solution set of user communities and problems to move forward in the design process. Let's get started. Once all the scores are in, the totals might surprise you. At the bottom of each column is the total score. These totals are calculated automatically by multiplying each weight by the corresponding score and adding it all up. Again, I recommend hiding the totals below the bottom of the page as you score each solution set. You don't want to bias your scoring by supporting the underdog or the dominant solution. Make each score in the table as objectively as possible. This is the calculation for this scoring table. The highest scoring solution set might not be the one you expected, but before making adjustments, step back and reflect. If the scores don't align with your intuition, you might have different criteria in your mind, or the weights might not reflect your priorities. Both are valid reasons to revisit your scoring table, but give yourself some time to think before making changes. In every design process, we make thousands of decisions, and we make those decisions on behalf of our user community. Some of those decisions must serve us. We need to make enough profit to support our work. We maybe shouldn't risk everything we have to serve our user community. We should choose a project that maintains our attention over the long haul. But most of the decisions we make must serve our user community. If they don't, why would our user community support us and our design? In ideation, scoring helps us balance our considerations with the needs of our user community. So, if the totals don't line up with your intuition, consider them carefully. They might be correct. Finally, in step 5, it's time to select a solution set. Typically, you'll choose the solution set with the highest total score. If the scores are close, that's great. You've got multiple good options. Once you've made your choice, click the Select Project button beneath the winning solution set. Congratulations! You've worked together with your AI co-creator to make a thoughtful, well-supported decision about whom to serve and what problem to solve. And you can justify that decision to anyone who asks by using the scores in the solution table. This is one of the most critical decisions in the design process, and now you can move forward with confidence. Before you move on, take a moment to revisit your user community and problem ideas. Clarify them, refine them, and make sure they fully capture what you know. Make sure the idea titles in the top 6 rows of your chosen solution set are a complete and clear description of your user community and problem. The decision of whom to serve and what problem to solve is foundational. It shapes the time, creativity, and resources you'll invest in your design. And now, with the help of scoring and your AI co-creator, you can be more certain that you've made the right call. Hopefully, you were surprised or learned something along the way. Maybe you identified a new user community that could extend your market. Maybe you identified an additional problem your design should solve. Maybe you identified the next user community you'll serve or the next problem you'll solve. Yogi Berra once said, if you don't know where you are going, you'll end up someplace else. With this ideation process, you know exactly where you're headed. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next stage of your design journey.